Good morning, students. Today we are starting our next property, that is angle sum property of triangle. What does it say? ये तीन triangle की three sides और three angles होते हैं. Yesterday we did that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. And today we are doing angle sum property of triangle कि तीनों एंगल का सम, एंगल सम जो है वो कितना होता है 180 डिग्री. दिस वी हैव डन इन प्रैक्टिकल ऑल्सो कि अगर आप तीनों ट्राइंगल बनाओ, उसके तीनों एंगल्स को कट करो और एक पॉइंट पे अगर आप करोगे दे विल लाई इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन विच शो दैट they form an angle of 180 degree. The total measure of the three angles of triangle is 180 degree. Now here we have to find the value of unknown x. Now in every case you will write this by angle sum property of triangle. एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्राइंगल हमें क्या बता रहा है? दैट सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल 60 प्लस 50 प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. व्हेन यू विल ऐड यू विल गेट 6 प्लस 5 11 110 प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. व्हेन वी विल शिफ्ट दिस 110 टू राइट हैंड साइड we will get 70 degree. The value of x is 70 degree. Now in second also by angle sum property you will write 90 degree. This is of 90 degree. 90 plus 30 plus x is equal to 180 degree. On adding you will get this is 120. So 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree is the answer. You get the value of x. Here also 110 plus x plus 30 equals to 180 degree. 110 plus 30 is equal to 140 equals to 180 degree. And when you will shift 180 to your right hand side you will get for x is equal to 40 degree. Again here we have got x and x. So by angle sum property of triangle x plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. When you will add x 2x plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. Shift this 50 to your right hand side you will get 130 degree and by 2. So x is equal to 130 by 2 means 65 degree. Again by angle sum property of triangle you will write x plus x 180 degree. Now 3x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 by 3. On reducing we will get that each angle is of 60 degree. Here also this sign means it is of 90 degree. 2x, x and 90 together will form a sum of 180. 3x is equal to, shift this 180 minus 90. So you will get 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 by 3 you will get it 30 degree. So x is equal to 30 degree is the answer. Question second, find the value of unknown x and y. Now yesterday we did in previous exterior angle is equal to sum of interior two angles. So 120 is equal to x plus 50 degree. Leave x and bring 50 degree on your left hand side. X is equal to 70 degree. Now this we have under 70 by angle sum property. तीनों एंगल्स का सम 180, so 50 plus 70 plus this y is equal to 180 degree. Now 70 plus 50, 120 degree, subtract from 180, you will get it 60 degree. Or you can use here linear angle also. 120 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Then also you will get y is equal to 180 minus 20, that is 60 degree. Write the properties used by angle sum property of triangle. And here we have used exterior angle property. So you will write by exterior angle property. In this question, first see y is equal to 80 degree. Y vertical opposite angle. ये एक मेन होता है कि इसको एक्सटीरियर एंगल नहीं समझना. एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज वन साइड एक्सटेंडेड एंड फॉर्म्ड विद द एडजेसेंट side. Angle formed with one side extended and adjacent side is called exterior angle. और ये क्या है, दोनों साइड एक्सटेंडेड से बन रहा है. So this it is not exterior angle. 80 और y इक्वल क्यों है? Because of vertical opposite angle. Y 80 degree. Now you can apply angle sum property of triangle. 50 plus 80 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Y by angle sum property. Clear? When we will add 80 plus 50, we will get 130 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. And when we will shift this 130 degree to our right hand side, we will get 50 degree. So both the angles we have got, x 50 degree and y is equal to 80 degree is the answer. Now in this part we see x is equal to 50 plus 60. कोई भी rule angle x is equal to 50 plus 60. Why? We have used here by exterior angle property. बाहर वाला एंगल था, so this is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So here we get x is equal to 110 degree. Now the x and y are forming linear pair. You can write x plus y is equal to 180 degree, or by angle sum property also 50 plus 60 plus y is equal to 180 degree. By any method we can find. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because linear pair. Now x we already know 110, so y is equal to 180 minus 110 degree. So we will get y is equal to 70 degree. Write also the answers, x 110 and y is equal to 70 degree. These are the answers. Fourth part, like second part, these two angles are equal because of because these are vertical opposite angles. X आ गया. Now we will apply by angle sum property of triangle. By angle sum property of triangle, we will get 30 plus 60 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So 90 plus y is equal to 180 degree, and from here we will get y is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. So what are the answers? X is 60 degree and Y is 90 degree. Now in fifth part, this Y is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because these are vertical opposite angles. And by angle sum property of triangle, angle sum property of triangle, we will say 90 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 90 plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 minus 90. When you will shift 90 to this side, you will get 90 degree. X is equal to, bring this to in division, 45 degrees. So here we have got x is equal to 45. These two angles are equal and this y is equal to 90 degree. Now the last part of this question as well as exercises, see here, these two angles are vertical opposite. From here we get y is equal to x. Y vertical opposite angles. Now I can say these are, this is equal to x and this is also equal to x because of vertical opposite angle property. Now by angle sum property of triangle, we can say x plus y is equal to 180 degree. और y किसके इक्वल है? x. So we can write x is equal to 180 degree. On adding 3x we get 3x is equal to 180 degree. And when we will shift this 3 to right hand side, 3 is in multiplication, so when we will shift to right hand side it will become division. So 3 6 are 18 and we get x is equal to 60 degree. All angles are of 60 degree and y is also 60 degree by vertical angle opposite property. Is it clear? That's all for today. Thank you.